Hello, and welcome back to Weekly Whimsy. I'm Lindsey, your guide to community achievements, innovative highlights, and practical tips. So with that, let's dive in. Our Discord has reached a new milestone with 3,654 new members. If you're not a part of this vibrant community yet, now is the perfect time to join. On the social media front, our latest highlight is about Farcaster hubs. We've delved deep into this aspect of Farcaster in our new 101 series, exploring how hubs are central to the Farcaster ecosystem's functionality and innovation. These hubs are the beating heart of Farcaster's decentralized network, offering a glimpse into the future of social media. This week, I'll be shining a spotlight on Eden Games. Eden Games are a veteran in the racing game genre with a 25-year legacy of thrilling gamers worldwide. Renowned for their iconic franchises like V-Rally and Test Drive Unlimited, Eden Games is now steering into the future with new products for mobile and next-gen consoles. Their partnerships with giants like Apple, EA, Microids, alongside their recent integration into Animoca brands, positions Eden Games at the forefront of innovative game development, marrying their racing prowess with cutting-edge technology. ETH Denver has officially concluded, and our team was busy making waves. From developing a handy Slack bot to crafting an analytics plugin for the Frog Frame building framework, our engagement was all-encompassing. We also made significant progress on Swoop, an iOS Farcaster client that's shaping up to be a game changer. Stay tuned for more exciting developments on these projects. I'm so excited to share them with you. For tips and tricks, we are unpacking how to build a Farcaster client. Farcaster's architecture offers a unique blend of decentralization and permissionless innovation, setting it apart from traditional social platforms. We'll explore how developers can create distinct interfaces and experiences on Farcaster, highlighting the ecosystem's versatility. From specialized clients like Photocaster, which addresses the optimization of high-resolution images, to the broader implications of decentralized social networking, we're covering the ins and outs of engaging with this dynamic protocol. And that is a wrap for this episode of Weekly Whimsy. If you found any of this information insightful today, be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below and stay tuned for more content coming up. In the meantime, I hope you stay curious and happy pinning. Bye guys!